Hello guys, in today's video we're going to look at how to use a coupon on the class. Step 1, you need to log into your Academy account. So you click login. You put your email, your password, and you log in. And then you can search your class directly. Okay, business English, and you click the class. That's the best way. Or if you don't want to search, you can go down to the I think it should be in a best-selling. So in best-selling courses, it appears here. Okay, business English. So there are many ways to find your class, or you can click on the address and type the URL of the class. You go to the address URL and you click enter. So you go straight to the class page. This is the one way. So there are many ways to find your class, and you have here business English. So what do? There are two buttons. Listen, if you click buy now, you will not have the opportunity to use a coupon. To use a coupon, it has to be on the cart. So you have to add the cart first before you use a coupon. So let me add to cart. So now it's in my cart. I can go to my cart here. I click here, this little icon. It has one. So I have one item in my cart. Alright, so now you are in the cart, in the shopping cart. You can see the class name, professor name, remove from the cart, remove to wish list, and the price in dollars, the checkout, okay, and then you have the total. So you have your coupon. You can tap your coupon here directly, or you can click here, apply coupon, and tap it on this small dialog box. So I will just tap it here directly. So I have a coupon. This is my coupon. And then I will just hit the button apply. I need to apply first the coupon to see the new price. Okay, good. So it gave me almost 61% because it was 50% for the coupon, plus the class itself has like a discount. So as you can see here, it said the coupon is being applied. So this is the coupon I use for the class. It's also here. Good. Now it's finished. It's only used one time. I can click checkout now. And if you use Momo for the payment, you can change, if you want, you can change the currency to CFA. If you want to see the amount in CFA, it's okay. So you can convert into CFA, and you can see the price is 300 CFA. This is the price I see here. This is a demo. Okay, so currently it's equivalent to, so my price now it's 111,855 CFA. So if I want to do deposit to mobile money, I will send 111,855 by Momo first. But if I am paying in PayPal or Stripe, okay, I can just change first to dollar, because dollar is used only for the classes using online payment. So Stripe and PayPal they use dollar. So before you use this, you can have to change the currency to dollars. So for Momo it's easy. You first need to deposit the amount. Then you have the proof. You take a photo of the proof of the payment. Then you come to pay by Momo here, this line, okay, and you choose the file. You choose your proof. Okay, I will go to my desktop. I have it here, proof of payment. I have it on the screen. Oh, where did I put this? Yes, it's here. Student Momo, proof payment. So I click here. Good. I have the proof of payment. I click proceed and finish. This is Momo. It's easy and fast. Thank you for your order. And then you will be redirected to the page in a moment. And then you can contact the staff of All-in-One, or you can even Slack me or email me, so you can see your courses in my courses. So you don't see the class here. So the administrator or the professor for the class need to approve the payment before you see your class in the Academy page. So thank you guys for this video, and have fun.